Hello naturals, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this very affordable hair growth shampoo that you can use for both natural and relaxed hair, because a lot of you always ask me if my treatment is only for natural hair. So this shampoo is for both natural and relaxed hair, and all we are going to be needing is African black soap. I know a lot of people are already familiar with African black soap. Like, African black soap has been my regular go-to shampoo since I started my natural hair. And as you can see me here, I went ahead to add warm water to the African black soap, and I also added ginger and onion juice that I made the other day on this channel. The video is going to be in the description box. And I also added okra gel because I want this shampoo to have that very slimy consistency, which is going to leave my hair feeling very soft and moisturized. And because I have high porosity hair, I always love to use oil on my hair. That's why you see me adding my DIY oil to this shampoo. So just go ahead and use any oil of your choice. If you want to use the oils that I use, the first one is my DIY ginger oil and the second one is my clove DIY oil. The videos of this oil are going to be in the description box. Like I will always say in my video, always remember to check out my description box for every video I post. I always leave some details in the description box. So guys, I'm just mixing this together and I'm going to let it sit for some minutes for the African black soap to dissolve. Once the soap is dissolved, I'm going to go ahead and strain this shampoo, because African black soap is produced locally and you don't want to end up with particles of sand on your hair. So I always advise you strain your shampoo or strain your treatment anytime you're working with African black soap. If not, you're going to end up with lots of sand in your hair. So guys, that is just very easy way of making this very affordable and very effective hair growth shampoo. And like I said before, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel I share natural hair related content. I show you how to make your own hair growth product both for natural and relaxed hair. So if you're coming across the channel for the first time, please don't make it your last time. Remember to click on the red subscribe button and also remember to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So this is what we have. As you can see from this video, I am straining the mixture because I want to get rid of every particle. Like I said, this is what it looks like. If you don't strain your shampoo, you're going to end up with dirt like this in your hair. So always make sure to strain your shampoo, and I'm just going ahead to transfer it into my applicator bottle because I want the application to be very easy, as I'm going to be showing you guys. I am supposed to do this in the bathroom, but because I needed to show you guys how I use it. And a lot of you believe that most YouTubers just come on YouTube and make treatments that they don't use. So that's why I always love to show you guys when I'm using my DIY treatment. One thing I love about this shampoo is the fact that a little goes a very long way, and it leaves your hair feeling really very soft, guys. So I will just go ahead and continue the rest in the bathroom. Bye guys.